Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find if the number is power of 2, which is 231 number problem and which is an easy level problem in LeetCode. So you will be given an integer. You have to return 2. You have to return true if their number is power of 2. Otherwise, you have to return false. So what is power of 2? We all know, like for example, 160. If I write it here, so for example, n is equal to 2. So this is power of 2 because 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, right? If the number is equal to 4, yeah, this is not this is also power of 2 because 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, right? And if the number is 6, it is power of 2 because 2 to the power 3 is equal to 6, right? No, I think no. If it is if it is 8, then it's power of 2, right? So to the power 8, right? Yeah. So we know how we calculate this one to multiply 3 times and then it's it, right? That's it. So how can you find the a number is power of 2 or not? It's pretty much simple. Like for example, if the number is 8 divided by 2 and there should be no remainder. For example, here if we divide it by 2, so if you divide it by 2, there will be 4 and there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. Again, if you divide by 2, the division will be 2, remainder will be 0. And then again, if you divide by 2, it will be 1, 0. So we have to find the uh, the last number is 1 or not, and there should be no remainder. Okay, I hope you got it. So that's it. All you have to do, you have to run a while loop or for loop, for example. And if you have a look at the constants, it says the number could be the minus as well. So any number is minus or any number is less than one. Yeah, any number is less than one is not the power of two, right? So I'll write if n is less than one, return false. Otherwise, while n mod 2 is equal to 0, so there should be no remainder. What we will do? I'll just write like n. We'll keep dividing the n by 2, and at the end we will return n is equal to 1. It should be 1, like. And if I run it, yeah, so it's accepted. And if I submit it, it will be accepted. Okay. Now, if you have a look at the problems in a follow-up, it says, could you solve it without loops or recursion? This problem also could be solved by recursion as well, right? Here I used loop. They said, can I do it without using loop? Yes, we can do. How can we do it? Using bit manipulation. Oh, if we go there, bit manipulation. So, yeah, I'll start from 1. So 1 is 0, 1, right? And then this is 1, 2 is 1, 0, 3 is 1, 1, 4 is 1, 0, yeah, 4. 5 is 1, 0, 1. 6 is 1, 1, 0. 7 is 1, 1, 1. I'll go till 8. Okay, 8. Okay, now, mm, uh, till 8, we know like uh, number 2 is Number 2 is power of 2, and number 4 is power of 2, number 8 is power of 2. So here if you have a look, you will find some similarity. If any number is power of 2, after 1, the rest of number will be 0. Like here is 0, here there is 0 as well, here there is 0 as well. And if you keep going to the bigger number for the same, the rest of number will be 0. Only first number will be 1. This is the one way to find and to know if the number is power of 2. Only for 1 is this one is exception. Okay, so we will not count 1 for the time being. Now, yeah, we can count as well 1 because after 1 there is no number, right? Yeah. So now, how can you find it? So to find it, if we take 4, right? So if we take 4, which one is 100, and if we run a AND operator with the previous number is 4 minus 1, which is 3. So 1, 1, and there will be 0. So if we run a AND operator here, then what it will be? 0 and 1, it will be 0, 1 and 0 and 1 is 0, and 1 and 0, it will be 0, right? So the thing is, if we perform AND operator with the previous number of given number, and if the result is 0, we can say it's a power of 2. Now, if you do 5 and 4, then I will say 5 is 101 and 4 is 100, right? Then 100, 000, 111. So it's 100. It's not 0, right? So this one is not power of 2. Then if we take 8 is 100, and the previous number is 7, which is 111, right? So now if you do AND operator here, it will be 0, 0, 0, and 0. So the result is 0. Then we can say this one is a uh, power of 2 number, right? Now, how can we do this? Just if I remove everything from here, I can say directly return return n should be greater than 0. Yeah, n should be greater than 0, and 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 n minus 1 should be equal to 0. That's it. If we run this one, and if I submit this one, it's accepted. So that's the power of bit manipulation. Thank you so much.